In this video, I am going to demonstrate about Genially. It's a tool for creating interactive content. It's a very good tool for teachers. Now let's see. So first of all, you have to go to Google and type Genially, right? And you can click over here. So you can find the page like this. So this is the home page of Creative Interactive Content Genially website. So it's an interactive platform. So we can create presentations, infographics, quiz, and much more. So these are the special features available in Genially. So it's not called Magic, it's called Genially. So it's not called Engagement, it's called Genially. So several features are available in Genially. So what are you going to create now? So we can create presentations, infographics, different pictures with information, so interactive content, and we can have a gamification, and we can have interactive images, and we can prepare video presentations, guides, and training material, much more. So these are the very good features available in Genially. So these are the pre-made templates available. So with the help of this pre-made template, teacher can easily prepare the powerful presentation to the class. Now let's see how to create account. Okay, for that you have to go to sign up process. So you have to click sign up. If you click sign up, so you can get the page like this. So by using your Gmail ID, you can create account. Okay, so it will ask us very simple steps. So you can create your own account from Gmail application. Yes, this is the home page of Genially, where you can find the creations, win, okay, and you can click here, create Genially. Okay, if you click, you can find many features available. Presentations, you can see infographics, gamification, interactive image, video presentation, guide, training materials, and more features. So we can start from blank creation also. Okay, now let's see create Genially. How to create presentation? Okay, so you can click create presentations. So you can find the page like this. So these are the pre-made templates available. So we can make use of these pre-made templates for your class. Here pre-made templates are available for demo purpose. Let me click here the human body. So let me click this plus symbol. You can find the pop-up window like this, and you can have a look out at this presentation. Okay, at, at the center right side you can find this arrow mark. If you click, so you can find the options in the human body presentation. See here, for demo purpose I'm just highlighting this. So you can get the entire presentations of human body. Yes, we can use this presentation. We can edit if you need. So the teacher can easily prepare this kind of presentation by using pre-made templates. Yes. So you can also add video. So whatever the human part, with the basics of human part, you can provide many informations. So it's already pre-made animations are available. So you can best make use of these animations or your presentations. You can simply edit your text based on your topic. Yes, so you can have a map also, and we can get the data of the topic, and we can add some images related to students or any scientist. And this is the last slide. So this is the pre-made template available in this Genially. For demo purpose, let me select this flipped classroom. Okay, so how to create this interactive presentation by using Genially. So let me select this presentation. So once you selected this template, you can click here, use this template. Once you click this, use this template, so you can get a page, so where you have to edit text, insert pictures, or we can provide animations, sounds, everything. So this is the page. So you can select any slides or you can select all slides. Okay, you can click select all and you can add. Once you click add, you can get a workplace. Yes. So this is the workplace where you can edit your own presentation. So this is the default presentation. Now we are going to make or all change our own presentation. Okay. So this is at left side you can find options. Okay. So these are the slides. These are the slides available. Okay. Now you can edit your own content with these slides. Okay. So and you can also have text. Okay. If you want to click text, so title, so this is the title, this is the title too. Okay. If you don't want, you can just click here and you can delete here. If you click this title column and you can delete. So these are the options available. Once you click this box, you can get the entire tool options in the toolbar options. Okay. So everything is available. Font size, text size and alignments, everything is available. And you can get the different types of text with the use of different fonts. Okay. And if you want to insert any image, you can also add image. For example, let me add this image. Okay. So just minimize this image and I can put it here. So this is the default image. Now I am adding new image. Okay. And we have resources. If you click resources, you can find the different icons. Okay, you can add any icons. Suppose if you want to add this light idea option, you can get this icon here. Suppose if you want to add any more information related to this icon, see here. So you can place anywhere, and you can have options. It's a block option. If you don't want, you can block this and drag. So these are the main features available in this Genially. Drag. So at the time of presentation, you can drag this icon and interactivity. If you click interactivity, you can find the different tools like this. So you can have tooltip, window, go to page, link. For example, let me click this tooltip. So it will give some information related to topic. It will be hidden in the presentation. Once you, now let's see. You can add this content. This is the reverse of traditional classroom. You can add it here. Okay, in the toolkit section. And animation. If you want to add any animation, you can click here. See here, you can get the animation. Okay, so you can get fade in option. You can click here. You can check it and you can select this animation. Turn on, swivel, and you can rotate and swivel back. So these are the animations we can give to the particular icon. Okay, so this is the main feature, and you can insert shapes. Okay, and you can insert graphs and charts. So you can get the different types of charts. Okay, interactive elements. So you can get the different elements. For example, like location, home page. Suppose if you click, so you can drag it anywhere. Similarly, you can add any interaction. Okay, right. And smart blocks. If you want to add any smart blocks like data or any other picture like this, you can add it here. And you can insert audio also, or you can click record option. In audio, you have to go for paid version. Okay, simply you can record your voice by using this click to record on audio, and you can change the background options. Okay, you can click any pictures, you can change the background also. So these are the special features available for creating this interactive presentation, and you can also name this file. Okay, so by inviting others, you can have a collaboration, and this is a preview. And once you complete all the slides, you can click all set option. Okay, So now let me go for pages. So each pages you can edit your own text. Okay. For example, for demo purpose, I'm just adding flipped classroom. Flipped classroom. Okay, this is the title. I'm just adding here. Write your title. For example, I click meaning of flipped classroom. So I can just move the file like this. We don't want any file, any box, you can click and you can edit. Okay, now I want to change this. Okay, so this is the different language I want to edit on my own need. So I have already prepared this content regarding flipped classroom. So just copy this text and I am going to paste it here. So select all and paste. That's it. So you can get the text related to meaning of flipped classroom. So like that you can edit on your own content. So like that you can select slides and you can edit based on your need. Okay, so these are the slides available. So based on your need you can edit and you can develop your presentation. Finally you can click all set option. Once you click all set options, you can, if you, it will ask whether it is to be published public or private. Okay, you can select it, right, and you can click public online and you can click all set option. So once you click all set options, you will find the presentation mode. So you can share to anyone. In paid version only, you have to download this presentation. Otherwise, in free version, you can also have your online class or a real classroom. You can have present your own content. So if you click this present content, you can get a page. So we can have a presentation mode. So at the right side, you can find this right click option, right arrow option. If you find, if you click, so it will change the presentation. Yes. So these are the slides we have edited. So this is the pre-made slides. For demo purpose, simply I am using this presentation. See here. So everything is available. So we can make a attractive presentation related to our topic. Yes, we can insert video also. So we can present by step process also. Yes. So these are the pre-made slides available. With use of these pre-made slides, so we can create very good attractive presentation. Yes. So you can insert timeline, can insert map, can have a data, can have a chart. So we can have different names of with the pictures. So you can also insert some information or name. So already I explained now. So you can insert some informations with interactive presentation. So this is the end slide. Like that, you can present your content with attractive manner to your students. And at the end, you can have this symbol. So you can maximize or you can press escape so you can get the page. Okay, and you can share to anyone. Okay, so like that you can prepare any content. In this video, we have seen how to create interactive content. Other features like infographics, free music certificate, and video presentations we will see in the next video. Thank you.